All right, so today we're gonna look at these REXBETI utility knives. I got these because I wanted a bunch of knives. I use these to open boxes, and interestingly, in the box that it comes in, there's no like plastic wrap or anything, it just opens right up. So you don't actually need the knives to open this bag, but what you get is 4 knives and then some extra blades. Let me just show you what one of the knives looks like. So it's just your standard utility knife here. It does come with a safety cover for your blade, which just pops off and then pops back on. It looks like for getting the blade in and out, we can push down on this button here, and then that softens up the blade so we can pull the blade out. So you push down and it has this little hook that comes out, and then we can put it back in and it falls in. So that's great. Comes with a clip on it, which is nice. Let's see how many extra bonus blades we get. Oh, cool. They even come in a little pack, so we don't need to keep that box. A bunch. 1, 2, that's like 10. So a bunch of extra blades. This is a really good value. So you get the 4 knives, all the extra blades. So the cool thing about that is, for me, I'm always looking for these. So now I can keep one in the garage, in the workroom. So if you want to get the blade back in, you just push this in here at the bottom. It folds back in. So nice and compact utility knife. You get 4 of them, so great value. Now I can keep one down here when I'm opening boxes. I can keep another one in the garage. I can keep another one out in the shed. And so it's just nice to have a bunch that you can have, or you can spread these out, give them as gifts, whatever. These are just awesome little knives. Cool, check it out.